Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick unbagging of an item that I recently picked up, and this is an item that I have been wanting and seeing in other brands, but I actually did not know that Dooney Bourke made this type of accessory. And so I was so excited to be able to see it pop up so I can at least give it a try. So anyway, if you are interested in seeing the item that I picked up, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So first, let me share with you the item that I decided to carry today. And this is my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Cooper Hobo in the color bone with this beautiful Sierra leather trim. So if you saw the unboxing of this bag, I mentioned that it brings back so many memories of when I first started collecting Dooney Bourke. So I am so excited to be able to have this beautiful bag in my collection as well. So next, let me just share with you some of the items that I decided to pair with Miss Cooper today. And the first one is my pebbled leather double zip wallet that I purchased along with this bag. So I think that this is a very nice little accent. I'm normally not a matchy type of person, but I thought that this wallet is perfect with this bag. I have my caramel barrel bag in the Dylan leather. I have, let's see, my large sunglass case here over in the corner, and as well as my caramel Dylan leather work badge here. Here she is, and here is what she holds. Quite a bit. Absolutely love this bag. So anyway, let's get on with the little small unbagging and see what I picked up. Okay guys, so here is how it came packaged. Very nice and secure. So let's just get inside. And again, this is just a small item that I have been wanting in another brand and have been eyeing, and I had no clue that Dooney Bourke made this type of item in their collection. So let's just see. All right, you guys, I'm so excited. See, and here we go. Oh, okay. So basically, I like how she put it in the plastic here. So basically, this is a Dooney Bourke 6-ring key holder in the color British tan. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Look at the condition that it is in. As you can see here, very good condition. She said that she only used it a couple of times. It has a little slip pocket here, and it also has a little slide pocket here. So here it is. Here is how it looks close up. Very good shape. Very good shape. The leather feels a little bit flimsy, so I will definitely have to get this authenticated. It does look authentic, and I'm assuming these don't have extremely thick leather because it is a key holder. So I will definitely have to get one of my vintage experts to take a look at this piece. to confirm that it is authentic. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.